class. Okay, so we have 4 exponent x plus 4 exponent x equals 4 times, now 12 can be written as 4 times 3. Okay, all right, so here we are going to factorize. So we say 4 exponent x times 1 plus 1 equals, now times 4, sorry, equals 4 times 4 times 3. Okay, so we're going to have 4 exponent x times 2 equals 4 times 4 times 3. All right, now let's divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So this and this will cancel. So we are left with 4 exponent x equals, okay, 2 cancels itself, 1 goes here, 2. So you are left with 2, which is the same as 2 exponent 1 times 4, which is the same as 2 exponent 2, and then times 3. All right, now let's apply the first law of indices here. So a exponent m times a exponent c should give us a exponent m plus c. So our equation becomes 4 exponent x equals 2 exponent 1 plus 2 times 3. So we're going to have 4 exponent x equals 2 exponent 3 times 3. Now 4 can be written as 2 exponent 2, okay? All right, so we're going to have 2 exponent 3 times 3 here. Now let's apply the power of a parallel rule. So a exponent m multiplying c equals a exponent mc. So this gives us 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 3 times 3. Now let's divide here by 2 exponent 3, and then here by 2 exponent 3. So this and this will cancel. Okay, so we have 2 exponent 2x over 2 exponent 3 equals 3. Now let's apply the quotient rule. So if you have a exponent m over a exponent c, this gives us a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x minus 3 equals 3. Now let's apply, okay, the logarithm formula here. So we say log 2 exponent 2x minus 3 equals log 3. Now let's apply the logarithm definition here. Okay, so we say log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. So this gives us 2x minus 3 log 2 equals log 3. So we're going to have 2x minus 3 log 2 equals log 3. Now let's divide here by log 2, here by log 2. So this and this will cancel. So we're going to have 2x minus 3 equals log 3 over log 2. All right. Now let's apply the change of base formula here. So log a over log b should give us log a base b. So we're going to have 2x minus 3 equals log 3 base 2. So this gives us 2x equals log 3 base 2 plus 3. Okay, so we divide here by 2, here by 2. So this and this will cancel. So we are left with x equals log 3 base 2 plus 3 all over 2. And this is our final answer.